Woodworking is all about precision, craftsmanship, and having the right tools for the job. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, investing in high-quality tools can make your projects smoother, more efficient, and more enjoyable. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know which tools truly belong in your workshop. That's why in this video, we'll break down the 7 best woodworking tools every woodworker needs. From measuring and cutting to assembling and finishing, these tools will help you achieve professional quality results in every project. Let's get started with number 1. Number 1. Sacred Contour Gauge 10 Adjustable Lock. The Sacred Contour Gauge is an essential tool for any woodworker who needs to measure and replicate complex shapes with precision. This 10-inch adjustable gauge allows you to copy irregular profiles, making it perfect for fitting wood around pipes, trims, and awkward edges. The adjustable lock ensures the shape stays in place, eliminating the guesswork and reducing errors in your measurements. Constructed with durable ABS plastic, the Sacred Contour Gauge is designed for long-term use without losing its shape. The high-density pins provide an accurate representation of the contour, capturing even the finest details. Unlike traditional contour gauges, this model features a locking mechanism that holds the shape firmly, allowing you to transfer it onto your workpiece without worrying about movement or distortion. Usability is another key highlight. Whether you're working on flooring, woodworking, or home improvement projects, this tool simplifies tasks that require precise contour matching. Its ease of use makes it a valuable addition to both professional and DIY workshops. With the Sacred Contour Gauge, achieving seamless fits and accurate cuts has never been easier.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Wetols Rubber Mallet Hammer 16 ounces. A rubber mallet is an indispensable tool in woodworking, and the Wetols Rubber Mallet Hammer stands out for its balance of power and control. Weighing 16 ounces, this mallet is ideal for tasks that require force without damaging delicate surfaces. Whether you're assembling furniture, setting dowels, or working with chisels, this mallet delivers a solid strike without leaving dents or marks. The rubber head is made from premium, high-density rubber that provides a strong but cushioned impact. Unlike traditional hammers, which can damage wood, this mallet allows for precise tapping, making it perfect for delicate adjustments. The non-marring design ensures that your workpieces remain flawless, even when applying force. The ergonomic fiberglass handle enhances comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. It also features an anti-slip grip, ensuring a firm hold even in demanding conditions. Built for durability, the Wetols Rubber Mallet is designed to withstand repeated use without cracking or breaking. Whether you're fitting joints or adjusting woodworking pieces, this mallet offers the perfect balance of precision and power. Number 3. Wetols Corner Clamp for Woodworking. Achieving perfect right angles is crucial in woodworking, and the Wetols Corner Clamp makes the job effortless. This heavy-duty aluminum alloy clamp is built to hold wood securely at a 90-degree angle, ensuring precise and stable assembly for projects like cabinets, picture frames, and furniture. The durable metal construction gives it superior strength and longevity, resisting wear and tear even under heavy use. Unlike plastic clamps that can warp over time, this clamp remains rigid and reliable, providing firm grip pressure for accurate joins. The adjustable jaw design allows it to accommodate wood pieces of varying thicknesses, making it incredibly versatile for different project needs. Ease of use is a standout feature. The quick release mechanism lets you set and remove pieces with minimal effort, speeding up your workflow. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this clamp ensures that your joints are aligned perfectly, leading to cleaner and stronger connections. A must-have for any woodworking setup, the Wetols Corner Clamp helps take the guesswork out of precision assembly. Number 4. Ruitool Japanese Handsaw 6 Double Edge. For precise and effortless cutting, the Ruitool Japanese handsaw is an exceptional tool that every woodworker should have. Unlike Western saws, which cut on the push stroke, this Japanese saw cuts on the pull stroke, allowing for finer and more controlled cuts with less effort. This handsaw features a double-edged design, with one side having fine teeth for crosscuts and the other with coarser teeth for rip cuts. This dual functionality makes it an incredibly versatile tool for a wide range of woodworking projects. The razor-sharp high-carbon steel blade ensures smooth and precise cuts with minimal tear-out, making it perfect for joinery, trimming, and intricate woodwork. The ergonomic beechwood handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. It also absorbs vibrations, offering better control and accuracy. Because of its thin kerf and precision cutting ability, the Ruitool Japanese handsaw allows for clean, detailed craftsmanship that power tools often struggle to achieve. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this saw is a game changer for woodworking precision. Number 5. Hurricane Wood Chisel Set for Woodworking. A quality chisel set is a must-have for any woodworker, and the Hurricane Wood Chisel Set delivers exceptional performance. This set includes 4 chisels of varying sizes, allowing for detailed carving, shaping, and mortising work. Whether you're working on intricate joinery or removing excess wood, these chisels provide the precision you need. The blades are crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, known for its strength and sharpness retention. This ensures long-lasting durability and consistent cutting performance. The chisels come pre-sharpened, so they're ready to use right out of the box. The beveled edges allow for precise control, making them ideal for fine woodworking. The ergonomic handles are made from impact-resistant plastic with a comfortable grip, providing better control and reducing hand strain. The Hurricane Wood Chisel Set is designed for both beginners and professionals, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. With these chisels, achieving clean cuts and refined details in your woodworking projects becomes easier than ever. Number 6. General Tools Scratch All Tool with Handle. The General Tools Scratch All is a simple yet essential tool for marking, scoring, and pre-drilling wood surfaces. Every woodworker needs a precise marking tool, and this all excels in accuracy and durability. Made from hardened tool steel, the sharp tip allows for clean, crisp marks on wood, ensuring precise cutting and drilling. The solid construction ensures longevity, making it a dependable tool for frequent use. Unlike pencils or markers that can fade or smudge, the Scratch All leaves a permanent indentation that guides your work with accuracy. The hardwood handle provides a comfortable grip and excellent control, preventing slips during use. Whether you're laying out dovetails, starting pilot holes, or marking for chiseling, this tool ensures exact alignment every time. Small but mighty, the General Tools Scratch All is an indispensable addition to any woodworking toolkit. Number 7. Ketiped 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler. Precision is key in woodworking, and the Ketiped 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler helps achieve perfect measurements for complex layouts. This ruler is designed for 3-dimensional measurement, making it ideal for marking angles, mortises, and layout lines on various wood surfaces. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, this ruler is durable, lightweight, and resistant to corrosion. Its clear and precise, laser-etched markings ensure long-lasting visibility, even with repeated use. Unlike traditional rulers, the 3D design allows for quick and accurate marking on multiple surfaces, making it a must-have for projects that require perfect alignment. This measuring tool is perfect for both professionals and hobbyists, allowing for faster and more efficient layouts without second-guessing. Whether you're marking dovetails, measuring miters, or aligning boards, the Ketiped 3D Measuring Ruler is an excellent addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Having the right tools makes all the difference in woodworking. These 7 essential woodworking tools provide precision, efficiency, and durability, helping you take your projects to the next level. Whether you're crafting furniture, making repairs, or creating fine woodwork, these tools ensure professional quality results. Which tool is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more woodworking tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.